Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your go-to destination for the finest car reviews and insights. Today, we present to you not just a car but a true masterpiece that embodies innovation, luxury, and performance. Introducing the Car Name, a car designed to redefine excellence in the Indian automotive market. Let's dive in and discover what makes this car a marvel of engineering and design. Body. Exterior design. The Car Name is a symphony of elegance and aerodynamics designed to captivate at first glance. The front fascia features a bold grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp LED headlamps with dynamic turn indicators. A sculpted bonnet, strong character lines, and a sleek coupe-like roofline give the car a sporty and premium profile. The large alloy wheels, combined with flared wheel arches, add to its commanding road presence. The rear design includes LED tail lamps, a seamless light bar, and a diffuser for a modern and dynamic appearance. With its futuristic design and attention to detail, the Car Name is a work of art on wheels. Safety and build quality. Safety is a cornerstone of the Car Name, ensuring peace of mind for every journey. Equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, and hill start assist, the car is designed to protect. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, add an extra layer of safety. The high-strength body structure, tested to global safety standards, ensures maximum protection in the event of a collision. With its robust safety features, the Car Name inspires confidence on every drive. Price and variants. The Car Name is available in multiple trims, catering to different needs and budgets. The base variant starts at 12 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offering exceptional value for money. The top-end variant, loaded with premium features, is priced at approximately 18 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. With its competitive pricing, the Car Name makes luxury and performance accessible. Outro. So, what do you think of the Car Name? With its stunning design, luxurious interiors, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology, it's a car that truly lives up to the title of a masterpiece. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out for an adventure, the Car Name is ready to deliver an extraordinary experience. Let us know in the comments if the Car Name is your dream car. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.